Hello and welcome to English Learning Academy. Today's lesson is about never give up. As you improve your English, you will also learn a powerful message that can inspire you to stay positive and keep moving forward. So, let's begin. Everyone has a dream in life. Some people want to become successful. Some want a good education. Some want to support their family. And others want to live a life that pleases God. But the road to our dreams is never easy. Along the way, we face problems, failures, disappointment, and sometimes people who tell us that we cannot succeed. There are even moments when we begin to doubt ourselves. During these difficult times, the most important thing to remember is this: never give up. Failure does not mean that your journey is over. It simply means that there is something new to learn and another chance to grow. Every mistake teaches us a lesson. Every challenge makes us stronger. If we keep learning and improving, we move one step closer to success. Think about a baby learning to walk. A baby falls many times before taking the first few steps. If the baby gave up after the first fall, no one would ever learn to walk. Instead, the baby keeps trying again and again until walking becomes easy. Our goals in life are very similar. We may fall many times, but every time we stand up, we become stronger than before. Sometimes we fail an exam. Sometimes we lose a job or face financial problems. Maybe a business does not succeed, or our plans do not work the way we hoped. These moments can make us feel sad and discouraged. Many people stop trying because they believe they are not good enough. But the truth is that many great successes come after great struggles. Every successful person has faced failure. They were rejected, criticized, and disappointed many times. The difference is that they refused to quit. They believed that every setback was preparing them for something better. Life is not always fair. There will be days when nothing seems to go right. You may work hard without seeing results. You may feel like everyone else is moving ahead while you are standing still. But remember, every person's journey is different. Comparing yourself with others only steals your peace and confidence. Instead of comparing your life to someone else's, compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. Ask yourself, am I learning? Am I improving? Am I becoming stronger? Even small progress is still progress. Never think that your efforts are wasted. Every hour you spend learning, practicing, and working hard is building your future. Success is not created in one day. It is built through small actions, repeated every single day. There will also be people who doubt you. Some may laugh at your dreams or tell you that you will never achieve them. Do not let their words stop you. Use their criticism as motivation to work even harder. Let your success become your answer. At the same time, remember that success is not only about reaching a goal, it is also about becoming a better person during the journey. Challenges teach us patience. Failures teach us wisdom. Difficult times teach us strength. These lessons are often more valuable than success itself. If you are working toward a dream, do not quit just because it is taking longer than expected. Time will pass anyway. One day, you will either be closer to your dream because you kept trying, or you will still be wishing you had never given up. The choice is yours. The same lesson applies to relationships. Good relationships require love, patience, understanding, and forgiveness. Every small disagreement does not mean the relationship is over. Sometimes, the strongest relationships are built by solving problems together instead of walking away. Whenever you feel tired or discouraged, take a short break if you need to, but never stop completely. Resting is fine. Giving up is not. Every new day is another opportunity to try again. Most importantly, always trust in God. Pray with sincerity, work with honesty, and believe that every difficulty has a purpose. Sometimes God delays our success because He is preparing us for something even greater. Trust His timing and never lose hope. Remember these simple truths. Every failure teaches an important lesson. Every challenge makes you stronger. Every small step moves you closer to your goal. Every new day gives you another chance to succeed. So, if you have a dream, protect it. If you have a goal, keep working toward it. If you fail today, learn from it and try again tomorrow. Never let fear stop you. Never let failure define you. Never let other people's opinions decide your future. Keep believing. Keep learning. Keep working. Keep praying. Keep moving forward. Because your greatest success may be waiting just one more step ahead. Never give up. Your story is not over yet. The best chapter of your life may still be waiting to be written. Before you leave, remember this one simple message. Never give up. Every great achievement begins with one small step and the courage to keep going. Keep learning English. Keep believing in yourself. And never stop chasing your dreams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Academy. See you in the next video.